DataZen allows you to easily replicate data from any source to any target system. In this demo, you will see how to configure DataZen to replicate SQL Server data into Parquet files stored in Azure on ADLS 2.0. We will also inspect the Parquet files using Synapse Analytics to see the data. Let's start by creating a new database reader job. We first need to choose the source connection that points to a SQL Server database, select a previously created connection, or click on the ellipsis to create a new one. In this example, we are reading a local SQL Server database. We are only interested in data from a specific point in time, so we are including a where clause. We are choosing to enter a custom SQL command to read from a log table. We could also use SQL Server's built-in change data capture or change tracking tables. Let's preview the data. We will also add a column dynamically using a data pipeline. Let's add a field called server name as a string and set a value. On the Target System tab, pick an ADLS connection previously configured. We want to create Parquet files. The connection string points to an Azure Storage ADLS 2.0 environment. We will distribute the data by date using the created field from the source data. In this example, the container is fixed and the file name will include a dynamic path that uses the created date field for the year and the month. Because we are expecting multiple files per month, we will also add a unique identifier, the execution ID of the job itself. You can construct the file name as needed. Let's use snappy compression. Before we create the job, let's finalize replication settings. We want to use a window replication strategy using the created field as the high watermark. DataZen supports 3 distinct data replication modes: full, change data capture, and window replication. You can also combine window and change data capture together. This screen shows you which replication strategy is used based on your selection. Because the window strategy is the fastest, and we are replicating forward-only log data, this is the right strategy for this example. We also want the job to run every 5 minutes. Everything is set. Let's click OK to create this job. The Job Monitor window shows us the output of the job. We can see that over 8,000 records were replicated in ADLS. Running the job again right away returns 0 records because the high watermark value has been set and no additional records were found just yet. Let's inspect our ADLS container. We see the Parquet file created. Let's click refresh. After a few minutes, a few log records were identified and another Parquet file was created. The size of this new Parquet file is much smaller since it only contains new records. Finally, let's explore our Parquet file using Azure Synapse. We simply connect to the ADLS environment, choose New SQL Script, and select the Parquet file format. Click Run. The data has been replicated successfully. Thank you. For more information, contact us at info@enzounified.com or visit our website.